Hello, and welcome to the Dagger Combinatorial Prediction Market Exchange. Our goal is to help predict the future for world events, especially international relations, politics, and economics, and we need you to help us achieve our goal. This is the main market page you see when you enter into the Dagger site. On the left, we have questions concerning events that we want to predict, as well as the probabilities related to the uncertainty of the event occurring. We need your expertise and strategic thought to help us set and change these probabilities. You may be familiar with surveys and opinion pools where you say whatever you want about all the questions. This is different. At any time you have a fixed number of points, and you can think of this as your energy level. Everyone starts with 1,000. Each time you change the probability, it costs some points. The bigger the change, the more it costs. It takes some practice to get used to, so everyone starts in practice mode. While in practice mode, you cannot see the official IARPA questions, and you really should start with those in the practice category. These practice questions include some exercises to help you learn basic edits. After you make your first 10 edits, you will see and notice that you are now in full T&E mode. Now you can see our official test and evaluation questions. Once you complete the training program, you are ready to make real predictions in the market. Essentially, you invest your points when you think you can do better than the current market probability. If you increase the probability of the actual outcome, you will gain extra points when the question resolves. Likewise, if you lower that probability, you will lose the points you invested. Your point summary is shown on the top right, and you can compare your score with others on the leaderboard. Available shows the points available for making edits. You start with 1,000. Available is also your minimum score if all questions resolve against you. Score shows your expected number of points after all open questions resolve. When you see an estimate you want to change, click that question on the left. As you see, the question details appear on the right. The top panel shows the current forecast, the forecast history, and the bottom panel shows some extra details. Note, all the numbers on this screen reflect any assumptions you may have active in the upper left. For now, we'll stick with the simple edits though. You can change a forecast either by typing a new value or by using the plus or minus buttons, and you'll see two scores, an if true score and an if false score, both displayed as the new score and the incremental change in the score. When you are ready, press the check mark. You can optionally enter a comment and then press submit. Once you submit your edit, your forecast becomes our best guess, so use care. After you've edited a question, you have a stake in the outcome of that question. If you ever want to get out of a question, use the equalize button to make your positions equal for all outcomes. This action will guarantee a sure gain or loss. If the market has moved in your favor, you can take a profit. If it has moved against you, you can cut your losses. Both actions should free up available points by reducing your worst case scenario. Your score and available change will reflect your edit. Nearby there is also a refresh button, as well as a logout button. To see more information about your score and investments, select My Profile, where you'll see your direct edits, any recent comments you have, as well as your score change depending on the resolutions of the questions you're invested in. If you have any questions, please consult the Help tab, which takes you to the Support Center with articles, how-to videos, and more. There's also a related blog where you can catch up on current articles, both scientific and popular culture, as well as short blurbs on how the market did on past questions. With that, we thank you for your help as we try to predict the future, and we wish you best of luck with your forecasting.